Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Cipher B indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Cipher B indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So, to date, we have tested 238 indicators, and out of those 238 indicators, 88 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now, you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 88 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator is the Cipher B indicator. This one was also recommended by the viewer that we did the last indicator on. I forget the name of it off the top of my head. The Bollinger Band Stop JD. And so Steve Hope, this one is also recommended by him. It is the Cipher B indicator, and it is the Cipher B with signals. And so the setup on it is relatively easy. I might dig into this a little bit more at another time or in my free time possibly. But at this point, basically, it gives us signals to go long and to go short. You can see those signals with the red dot, green dot type setup here. And that's basically how we will be testing it today. So when we get a red dot, we'll go short. When we get a green dot, we will go long. And then at the end, we will see what we get out of it and go from there. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can achieve here. So we get the first signal right here. It is a long signal there. And that one worked out rather well for us, got us to take profit. Then we pick up a short over here on this side right here, which unfortunately is not going to work because then we get a long, and then that is almost immediately reversed into a short. Let's measure this one out, which barely gets us to take profit there on that one. Then we pick up a long over here on this side right there. So let's go ahead and play this forward a little bit more. Looks like that long there did work out for us. Got us to take profit rather nicely. Then we pick up another short over here. That one's not going to do us any favor. And then a long there, which I don't think was able to, nope, was not able to get to take profit. Then we get a short right here on this side there. Go ahead and play it forward, and that one worked out for us rather nicely. Then we get a long over here right there, and that one looks like it works out for us as well. Let's go ahead and measure that out just to be sure. Yeah, it definitely did. Didn't stop us out. That one was a decent signal there. Keep playing it forward here. We pick up a short right there. That one, again, is almost immediately canceled out by a long. Well, not immediately, but pretty close to. Pick up a long right there, which then flips to a short right here. Measure this down. That one was not able to get us to take profit. Then we pick up a long right there, which did get us to take profit, and then a short right there, which also got us to take profit. All right, keep moving along here. Got quite a few signals on board. We get along here. That one gets us stopped out, unfortunately. Then a short there. Looks like the same deal. Yep, stopped out on that one as well. Then a long. And a short. And then a long right there. Let's go ahead and see what this long does for us. Looks like, yep, long gets us to take profit, but all the ones before it, not so great. Then we get a short over here on this side. Go ahead and measure that out just to be sure. Yep, it barely squeezed out. Take profit. Then a long right there. And we'll keep playing it along here. Whoops. Get our line in place. Short there. That one's some decent timing. Along there. Same thing. Relatively decent timing there. And a short there. It does decent when the market is playing nicely. Continue to play it out here. See when we get these nice moves up and down. It is following it relatively nicely. It's these moments where we run into choppiness, like most indicators, that it really starts to struggle. So a couple losing trades there, then another winning trade there. Short trade. Let's play this out some more. Get a short right there, but I think it may have stopped us out to the upside. Let's see, what is our stop? 150? Nope. So we did all right there. Barely missed our stop. We have a long right there. Oops. Red, not burgundy. Then a short right here. Then we pick up a long right there. We are almost to the end of the year. Keep playing this out a few more. Alright, that gets us to the end. Let's knock out these last couple of signals. That one gets us there very slowly, but actually let me double check We did not flip signals. We did, unfortunately. So we flipped signals back over here before we could get take profit off of that short right there. Then we get one more short right there, which eventually stops us out as it flips long right there. All right, so there we have it. That is the Cipher B with signals. Narrow it in there. Let's go ahead and count them out, see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. So we have 36 signals all together. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 winning signals. And so, unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. This indicator is interesting. It definitely seems like it has some potential. Something about it just seems like it is doing a really reasonable job of catching like the tops and the bottoms and pullback areas. And I noticed this before I even started testing it, that the signals themselves were not really optimal entries. And so before even testing it, I thought it might not be able to meet the criteria. And so I was accurate in that assumption. But again, I do feel like there is something about it that, you know, just it just seems like it works in a way that could be useful. And so I'm definitely going to dig into this a little bit more in my free time. And those of you out there, feel free to dig into it as well and see if we can't come up with a little bit better way to enter in into trades using this indicator, and see if maybe we can't beat the 60% criteria, get it on the yes list. So, but for now, it's going on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.